We're thrilled to celebrate the addition of modern solar panels to the Arboretum Visitor Center. Arboretum lands provide important ecosystem services, including habitat for plants and animals, cleaner air and water, and a place for people to learn about and celebrate the natural world.
The Arboretum has a history of investing in solar power. In the 1970s, a solar thermal system was set up on the Visitor Center roof.
Now, with the help of many partners, the Arboretum is proud to announce a new, modern solar photovoltaic array on the Visitor Center.
For this new installation, a team of UW students, Arboretum staff, and the UW-Madison Office of Sustainability worked with SunPeak, a local solar company. The array of 66 panels is projected to produce around 32,000 kilowatt hours a year.
I have learned a lot about how solar installations work.
It's so empowering to see people from all different backgrounds coming together in support of renewable energy.
I love how we are using this development as an opportunity for education and engagement.
It's great to see that the university is taking steps to invest in a green future.
This is an important project, and I'm delighted to see it completed. In the very best of times, a project of this magnitude would be difficult to complete. That you have reached this moment, despite a daunting array of challenges, speaks to your deep commitment to making UW-Madison a greener and a more sustainable place.